Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Pierluigi Paracchie. He is the co-founder and CEO of Genenta. It's listed on Nasdaq in December 2021 and the only Italian company to be listed on Nasdaq. It is so great to have you with us. Welcome to MarketSite. Welcome to New York City. And tell us more about Genenta.
Yes, so first, thank you for having me, Jill. And maybe not a lot of people, Jill, are aware that the first ever ex vivo gene therapy has been approved not in Silicon Valley or in Boston, Cambridge, but in Milano, thanks to the collaboration between one of our co-founders, Professor Luigi Naldini, and GSK. So Genenta stemmed from the experience in rare diseases in cell and gene therapy, and we are moving that platform from rare diseases to oncology.
What makes your therapy unique?
So we are working a lot with our strategy to treat solid tumors. You know that especially CAR-T, that is a tremendous success in treating blood tumors. They are struggling a lot in treating solid tumor. This is because the tumor microenvironment is so immune depressive. For that reason, we have decided to stay focused on solid tumor indications. Our first indication is GBM, glioblastoma. And our approach is something that can work very well in solid tumor indication, following the data that we have developed at the preclinical level and now that we are seeing at the clinical level in the GBM study.
Tell us more about the pipeline.
Yes, so this is it's a platform, our approach. So we are different from a CAR-T another time. We are tumor agnostic and antigen agnostic. So the same platform can work in different tumors as we show in different scientific papers that was published in Science Translational Medicine, Nature Communication, and so on. For that reason, our idea is to work, first of all, in one indication that is, for us, also a proof of concept of the entire platform. And now that we have the first safety data, tolerability data, and biological activity, we can move in another second tumor indication, solid tumor indication. And this is something that we want to do in the coming month.
So when you say you can work on different types of tumors, does that mean different types of cancers?
Yes, right, different type of cancers.
So when do you think these therapies will become commercial available?
It's a great question. I mean, it depends a lot of the data that we will find, especially in the phase 2. Now we are performing a phase 1/2A, and we are, it's a dose escalation study. We think that we will complete the enrollment of the phase 1/2A during this year, and we can start the phase 2 at the beginning of the next year. Depending on the data, I think that in 2023 we can treat a good number of patients, and if the data move in the right direction as it is right now, maybe we can accelerate the process for an authorization.
All right, Pierluigi, thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.